Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, B. Shamsundar from CSC F section. My roll number is 244G1A05BS. Today my topic is Stokes theorem. Verify Stokes theorem for over the upper half surface of the subcone bounded by the projection of the projections. Include introduction to Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem connects surface integrals and line integration in verification calculations. If started in the integral of the vector fields curls over a surface equals to the integral of the vector field along the boundary circle of the surface. This theorem is essential of understanding field dynamics, electromagnetism, and various applications in physics and energies. And the upper half surface cone. Consider a unit spot centroid at the organism defined by the equal of the equation slash x cap 2 plus y cap 2 plus z cap 2 is equals to 1 slash. We focus on the upper hemispheres where slash open bracket z slash geq 0 slash closed bracket and the boundary of the circular in the slash xy slash plane given by slash x cap 2 plus y cap 2 is equals to 1 slash. The surface can be parameterized for the integral for a verification. Given f bar is equals to 2x minus y I bar minus y z square j bar minus y square z k bar. F bar into dx bar is equals to 2x minus y dx minus y z square dy minus y square z dx dz. Circle f bar is equals to lambda x f bar is equals to I bar j bar k bar sigma by sigma x sigma by sigma y sigma by sigma z. 2x minus y minus y z square minus y square z is equals to I bar into minus 2yz plus 2yz minus j bar into 0 minus 0 plus k bar into 1. Circular f is equals to k bar. By Stokes theorem, integral c f bar into dir by Stokes theorem, integral c f bar into dr bar is equals to integral s curl f bar into x bar cap ds. LHS. Here the curves is upper of surfaces of spiral x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 1. X square plus y square is equals to 1. The parametric equation are put x is equals to r cos theta is equals to cos theta. Dx is equals to minus sin theta d theta. Y is equals to r sin theta is equals to sin theta. Dy is equals to cos theta d theta. Integral f bar into dr bar is equals to integral theta is equals to 0 to x bar into 2 cos theta minus sin theta minus sin theta minus sin theta d theta. Integral c f bar into dr bar is equals to integral theta is equals to 0 to x bar minus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta into d theta. Integral c f bar into dr bar is equals to integral 0 to 2 to x bar minus sin 2 theta in plus 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Cos 2 theta by 2 into 0 to 2x plus 1 by 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta by 2 into 0 to 2 pi is equals to 1 by 2 into cos 4x minus cos theta plus 1 by 2 into 2x minus sin 4x by 2 minus 0 is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 2 pi is equals to 0 plus pi. LHS is equals to pi. Note integral S ds is equals to area and integral V dV is equals to value. RHS integral C circle F bar n bar cap ds is equals to integral A integral by k bar into k bar dx dy is equals to integral double integral S dx dy. Area of circle x square plus y square is equals to 1 is equals to pi r square is equals to pi into 1 whole square. RHS is equals to pi, where LHS is equals to RHS is equals to pi. Hence Stokes theorem is verified. Reference Thomson, Janet B. and Rosell furnished calculated the algorithm generated by the Wales 1996. Morris, Journal E. and Anthony J. Thomson vector calculated WH Films 2009. Performing the calculations of the combining university for present 2013. Thank you.